Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy C Will back to you with another video. I know we have switched up the actual landscape here, but I just want to say this. You see the video. Yeah, buddy. I know I'm recording on the Canon 90D, 4K 30, but this right here, we upgrading. We're investing into the business. Sony, baby. So I've been waiting on getting my first full frame camera. Man, I don't know. This has been like, I've never had a full frame camera. I always had APS-C cameras. I do a lot of, photography. I'm working on getting into videography, and when I say working on getting, like actually doing, like client videography type stuff. And so, so to complement the Sony A7V, that's right. We have the Sony G Master 24-70 workhorse with the aperture f2.8, and this is the Mark II. So yeah, and on top of that, we are using the CF Express Type A. The tough on the cars is 240 gigs just to get me started. It's been a while since I did an unboxing video, and so we are definitely about to get into it. But before we do, if this is your first time here, welcome here. We do everything tech, all things tech, whatever it is, we like to do it. And if you're a returning viewer, I appreciate you the most because you actually keep the lights on, you keep everything going. But we about to get into it. We're gonna get into this unboxing. I'm gonna talk a little bit about why I'm switching and upgrading, and we get into a little detail about things. But hey, let's get into it. All right, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and open up the actual camera box here. And man, I'm excited about this. I just got done shooting another video, just rebuilt my PC. And when I say rebuilt, I actually just new case, new fans, new AIO, that type of stuff. And so it talks about making sure that we register so we could double our warranty. We have some pamphlets, and I really don't know. I try not to tear up my boxes. And okay, so actually I'm just gonna sit this to the side, and little pamphlets and stuff like that. Just gonna sit it to the side. Okay, boom. So what do we have here in the box? So we have the strap. Now I normally don't use the straps that often, except for like when I'm doing events, stuff like that. So, but I'm definitely going to use this. And obviously we have the battery. And one thing I love about Sony and the research and stuff that I've been doing, they pretty much use all of their modern cameras. They use these Z batteries, and so this is pretty dope. And I heard that and this is the NPF Z100. It's so pretty popular. So I'm going to put this to the side because we're going to pop that into the camera. And then here goes the body. So there's not much in the actual box, but here goes the body, and there's no peels that's going on here like we would normally see, but boom, look at that. Full frame, and yeah, this is, so okay, so first of all, we got the actual cap here, Alpha 7, A7 5, we have the actual controls. Now, one thing I love about this is that this screen, not only does it flip out, but it also, like, it tilts out as well. So when you boom, so it tilts out and it comes out like this. So depending on how you're shooting and stuff like that, but then it actually also flips out. So the multi-directional, it, when I say it does it all, it definitely does it all. So yeah, so one thing I wanted to show you here is that, let me see. Now, I remember when it's out of store. So a couple of things here. If we open up these particular doors, we have the headphone, and I don't know if you can actually be able to see that. I'm gonna try to zoom in a little bit as well. So headphone, and then here we actually have two USB-C. One is for power, and then the other one is for like transfer in delivery. So this is pretty dope because really with this, and then the actual HDMI, and I'm trying to figure out, I think this either pops open. I just need to see which way it does. There we go. There's a full HDMI port here, and I love that because once you plug this up to your capture card and then the power for the USB-C, that's all you need in order to be able to live stream. And so you can live stream with this, and depending on the actual capture card that you have, I think just using just the actual USB-C cable, you have to supply your own cable, but just using the actual USB-C cable, I think you could do live stream 4K 30. But if you have a capture card that does 4K 60, then obviously you can do that, which I do. So I'm definitely looking forward to using this for some live streaming, but also for content creation and video work, and also for pictures. This is pretty much like the perfect hybrid camera. 33 megapixels, which is crazy, but a lot of the features that's in here, this is full frame. It has, it does with the electronic shutter, it does 30 frames per second, no blackout, blackout free, and 30 frames per second is crazy, and it comes for pre-capture. So some of the features that comes from the actual Sony A1 Mark II are, they put in this camera in the autofocus, everything from animals to vehicles, trains, airplanes, and all this stuff. This does it, but 30 frames per second is crazy. In order to do the 30 frames per second, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set this to the side, you will need an actual Sony G Master lens. And I know there's been a lot of talk and stuff like that on the internet, but with Sony actually supports third-party lenses, but some of the features may not be there. And so because I was, going back and forth with whether or not I was going to get a Sigma lens, which is significantly cheaper than this. But after doing my research, in order to hit the 30 FPS when it comes to the pictures, so if you're doing wildlife photography, sports, and stuff like that, you need an actual G Master lens. So otherwise, the third-party lenses, you will be capped at 15 frames per second. So, and also in order to do that, you need to make sure that you have CF Express. This actually gets up to, now, make sure, 1,800 megabits per second read, 1,700 megabits per second write. It's 240 gigs. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need something bigger than this, but this is just to start off. But yeah, in order to, get, to hit the buffer and all that different type of stuff, you're gonna need that. So now here, the actual lens, and I know sometimes these lenses are just as expensive as the actual camera body itself. But that's because you can have an okay camera, but if you have a great lens, and you see how it's packaged, if you have a great lens and you know what you're doing, let me tell you, you can still get great pictures. And let me see what else that comes in. So this is a lens that is wrapped up pretty good. What I love about this is with the actual Sony cameras, especially when you're getting up into the mid range professional, weather seal. And also G Master lens is also weather seal. So opening this, and this is actually I heard it was definitely much lighter than the which than the actual Mark One. And so, yeah. And this right here, look at that. Yes, sir. This is dope. This is really dope. So, looking at these two, let's see what else comes in. I love this bag. So this also comes with a strap. And it comes with the hood. So definitely looking forward to that. So that's what comes in that. Then what we'll do is we'll go ahead, look at that sensor. Crazy. So let's go ahead and just connect these two. Okay, boom. So we have these two connected, and I'll tell you, the actual grip on this is amazing. It's not heavy. I could definitely see myself using this. This combo right here is about to be my new workhorse. I also plan on getting the actual, so this is 24-70, but I plan on getting the actual zoom, the zoom lens, the 70 to 200 Mark II as well. I'm going to add that to the arsenal. But we're about to do some great things with this setup, everything from content creation, podcasts. Yeah, I'm working on some stuff. Working on using this for some field stuff, real estate, all type of stuff. So yeah, definitely stay tuned. Let me see if we can pop in this battery. I don't know how much charge that we have. Okay, boom. So that is in. And let me see if I can turn this thing on for the first time. Boom. So it's already on. Okay, boom, now it's on. And the battery may not have a charge to it because I didn't see that this turned on. So I'm gonna have to charge the battery. Yep, so we'll get this thing plugged up, get it charged, and then, we'll do some test photos, some test stuff, and I'll come back to you. But definitely let me know what you think down in the comments below. Do you rock with Sony? Do you not rock with Sony? What do you currently use? And if you want to see more camera content, I'm definitely working on doing that as well. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.